Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the literacy rates. So the literacy rate, first we are just focusing on India. So the literacy rate of India is about 74.04%, and this is according to the 2011 census. The Kerala is highest literacy rate. So Kerala is the highest literacy rate, and this is among the Indian states with a value of 93. So it has 93.91%. So let's look at some important formulae. So we look at the effective literacy rate. So effective literacy rate, we are writing in short as the ELR. So it is equal to the number of the literate persons. So ELR is the number of literate persons, and this will be age 7 and above. So it can be 7 or above 7 years. And the next is a population aged divided by the population age 7 or above population in a given year. And you multiply it by 100. Next we move on to the total crude literacy rate. Total or the crude literacy rate. So this is equal to the number of literate persons, and you divide it by the total population. This is in a given year. And you multiply it by 100.